megalayapost.news.
Man pai kemat kerpang syakilong yang bentuk kibakerdo kimat kijinjar hakapang kestom ubak cas marngar emle kemauti mintak sengi ulalit berpelai ba ya kakalikit nopang lani ka ambulans sya kador bersnong klim stem ya balthit lembak skim Chief Minister Special Development Funds ya ketika kalikit nopang lani ka ambulans la pelai ba action klim stem badha ketika sengi melapelai ba la saki da kejendon lang ka Anju Armara District Medical and Health Officer kariboy itlang Dr. in charge Kamal Snai CC ubak F teron rabak snong ka klim stem lembat shibun kirurong ba ketika tanya, habakaran ketika singi baca semangar ulai kejingro yo menteri rambak sarkar jela namar bol penyo kenang ya ketika kelikit nopang sya ke snong klim stem kablong sya ba aji metoi om tangi pai ba apo ketika snong andrei ka aji metoi ru ya kipai ba na snong bamarjan bat ke klim stem khatam habadon kino ki bapang bistom bat ki badon kam ban poi kerki sya ke jaka aji sumar haga ni kesingi layo ru ya jingkren na kirurang ba na ketika snong ki balpan pau ke jing sukmen bat ke jingiro ba ki layo ya ketika kelikit nopang bat ke ban aji mentoi na kamta jong kito ki badon kam ya ki kelikit nopang hakaju ru kapor kilai kublei ya umle bat yu menteri rangba rajela u konrad ke sama
nakaliang jongi kum kador basnong marke area hiru borok kowe beren manjan song jongi i perpal jong sukmen ke bakau hadin batangkap to kan teli kipor kiba u Chief Minister jongi wan posnong jongi lokular an ai ni ka ambulans kum babi menta te ngi das sukmen sibon ba Chief Minister beren borom jongi u la penyo ingi kani ka ambulans te kani ka ambulans kan datmu ba kadai tang nata ba chakri kerpang langsung ni ada ingin chakri ru na banta ki badon kam apo kani ka area badong kathan jungi ya UMLA badon borom jungi ba chas manga balai tres tom lang bat ni ban penio ni 16 ni suhu ba bahai ni ba lada klem gejing tres tom lang jungi kani ka ambulans kumbang tip ba Chief Minister ila penmang ya kani ka ambulans jungi lang ba jong ka CMS DF scheme ka gumubod ka Chief Minister Special Fund kaba ila penmang nyo ini padia kan ka ambulans kumba yang yi mata kadai ka hajing pet jikmi jong hi pet jikmi jong ka dorbas no hi apnia ya kan ka ambulans
wanting to bring health to your house, to you, to each and every one of you. There are many schemes provided by the government. You don't want to come to the hostel? Okay, fine. We will come to you. That is the idea. You don't have vehicle to go to the hospital. We will give you vehicle. We will give you Umpanyang. We will give you Paigali. We will give you that shed, waiting house. We have a scheme. You get up in this ambulance and go. It is free. Okay. Then you stay in the hospital. Example for a pregnant lady. You stay in the hospital until you deliver. You can bring your husband to the hospital, your children to the hospital. We will give you free food, free stay, and also some amount of money for the days lost by your husband. Suppose your husband is a laborer. We will be paying even that also. That much government had done for us. But our district is only 62% institutional delivery. We prefer our mother, our grandmother to deliver our babies also. Because they did delivery at home, we also want to deliver at home with your mother, with your grandmother. It is okay. You just have to inform the ASHA so that we can send some health personnel in case anything happened to you. The expert is there in your house to know what is happening with you. Because sometimes maybe your mother, even though she delivered so many of your children, your grandmother delivered all the children in the village, maybe there are some things which they may not know. So the cooperation between the people, between the department, with the representatives, MLAs, with the government, with the administration is very much required to bring health for all. Health in the village of Klei Umstem and health in each and every house of Klei Umstem.
Hagajingwan jong chief minister hane ladon gajing kran hang te haplawian kal executive committee jong sno bat chief minister banga nakamata ni ka ambulance the chief minister hagatuhi ke klimat wang bangan ai ni ka ambulance hadin meladep rai ban ai keladon gajing kedu jonga borong basno yong kani ka ambulance ka ba ai happy kisno ma yo ong hi badai ka thik tang nam ta kisno Klei Umstem mau kan chair ba kum ta ong rumachno kani ka ambulance ka bangi ai ka dei baga dorbar shnong ke executive committee kisno kan penyaj kan sumar ka maintenance ni ka ambulance baro kadai ka kamjong ki ke executive committee kisno but kadai ka kamram jong ki but ai ka service ya baro kisno gi badan marjan batpi lada ka maulo snai PSC gadan i doktor insafun ini ka ambulance kan mare semaulo snai PSC lada hasi bohermong idon kam kan mare ini ka ambulance kan ai ka jing syakri ya kini ka dong ba ka tanjung i baro ko tangba ladom don ka tim ka bapnya kamlong ti dei nomor kata ya kini ka ambulance la ai ha ka kerteng jong ka snong Klei Umstem ti kini ka kerteng te IUMLA Rapha ka bamot kadai ban penkhia kata kadai ka jingwat blashim na ka Bible kintin Rapha healthcare service Klei Umstem kerteng ka basultanan at ka bakit jingwat tenga ai ka jingkir kukur do ya orang basnong bat iga tim barok way bakane ka ambulance kanlong ka jingkir ku na ka benda ka dong bakit tanjungi ngila khot hang ni na mausud nadut na moyem bay na umdotli na liar bang baro kani ka ambulance pinsayo ban pendon kami ka tang kawai kalong ba pihak ban sumar bahaya ka pin penbaik bah kalong kom namar ban ron ni ka ambulance kam dei ka besuk ni habdon driver ni haban maintain ka maintenance ya kani ka ambulance ka jompi ke hagani ka por kendiat na skwa ban pawi pi i doktor manei lakran di man chu jongi yang magamau hati konsulsi jongi kadai ke konsulsi ka badang sadin yuan lagi pon merswa ni rongi ya iki surok tang susniu ko surok langsung tu bakal ada ka starting point jong ka mau hati konsulsi dengan semua kemen bakat banangnya kising yu i kadam gejikala kumbu MLA ujong pi ngasutu bagi senam baro kibangalaya asnem tamanta ko MLA kamlong ko besuk pan syakri ya ka mau hati konsulsi tang na ke MLA scheme ke jonga arkurur steng aitin something syukur sa syukur steng kisnong gi bahe ki paning darbar ki ong aying darbar se baca so kan lada arpulak telada biyo ki telada arpulak kawai gi darbar santli long syukur sa san pulak shispa san putam television kam dei ke kam besok dei halor kini kinong rem ngapet ki surok dot kam pet ki jing dot kam kinong sadin hakiliang baro pet ya ka health sector ngipet ya ka kepada ke kot ke kia ngipet ya ka jik pule ke putri ngipet ya ki liang baro idang sadin ngan le kum no uba Charles unchong sa hajo kamau hati konsensi kan sa ko dojo kejubab kolong shim ya karai bangadon bagasorka nasukumen lengkot ni tu ipi bahadian bangadon bagasorka nanut badon kesorka kalau hikmat ke bangsa ngelawan inspection ki sub center ngelawan inspection ki PHC ban shim ya ki Nakaliang juga sejuk di border ngelawan ikin lo chief minister ngasukumen berpenting. I'm happy to announce today that one more ambulance our chief minister he will give to the border area. Ngasukumen basakaway ke ambulance our chief minister unsa ay ha border area. Nginsayo ke sub center ha border. Hangniru kaladon ke jingi keren bahni harayap ngar kampat biang tengah tatnong yang. Midang don kam sagaway ke sub center. Tinamar kata mano ban bakli. Ke politik hari India tapi dan dia kalian percaya ASP. Cem mau pi. Nah kata ngamot banang balado ba Charles udan hangno sudwai lang. Baka nongrim jong kade ban nong kum jong. Ke moto jong kalong to serve the people. Ban syakri ikipat ba. Kasukumen ban I kani kijing tho bala tho the people's chief minister. Chief minister bolong sisau chief minister jong ikipat ba. Kamyar bangin yo kumne chief minister. Daladi lawan yu kejat ke senong klim stem. Bat ke jingwan yu kejat ke jong niyo I ya ke dinjat jong madaksni. Bat niyo I ke jing trishtam ke jong niyo chief minister ngalak keren mensuah ni ke program. Hakabau yat ke leng kari kasi jantia barilum garo. Umdon por ban songthan. Kibun ki jing keren ki jing tho jo pen khainia utrai la kam. Agni ko por ko abanong sesisin pat. I would like to thank our honorable chief minister. Through you, sir, we are here today. We gather here today because of your kindness, because of your goodness. Thank you so much for providing us this ambulance and also another developmental works that you have promised Diskli Umstem village through the chief minister schemes. May God continue to bless our honorable chief minister Shri Conrad Sangma.
Meghalaya Post.news